morning. My name is Kath Policarpio Castro. I'm a former call center employee doing quality assurance for 8 years. I'm a self-supporting person, an independent woman, and a single mom, so I decided to look for other opportunities to give me extra source of income. So I researched online and found the opportunity in Sulit.com. No one invited me in the business, but I met amazing people who helped me, taught me, supported me, and guided me to become the person that I am right now. I am so grateful to be part of I Am Worldwide because we have God-fearing and parent-like company owners. We have very supportive mentors. We have professional cross lines and a clean tulungan system culture. In Chinese proverbs, it says, "The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. But the second best time is now." Huwag kang matakot mangarap ng mataas. Basta trabahuhin mo ng tama, buong puso at may tiwala sa Diyos. Kasama siya, lahat ng pangarap mo possible. Unti-unti mo yung makukuha. Hi, amazing morning everyone. My name is Kath Policarpio. Graduate ako ng education course, pero hindi ako nag-work as a teacher. Instead, nag-work ako sa call center. 8 years na ako nagtatrabaho and I became a single mom. Hindi ako nakakaipon. Instead, nagkaroon pa ako ng malaking utang. Sa internet ko lang nakita yung ganitong business and hindi ko in-expect na sobrang ganda niya. Nung start, nag-part-time lang ako pero dito pala ako makakapag-early retirement. Totally wala akong idea sa ganitong business. Pero through the free trainings ng company and the support and guidance of my mentors, unti-unti ko siyang natutunan. I'm so blessed to have I Am Worldwide as my business dahil hindi lang siya about money, it's also about character development, learning experience, and growth. Dito din lumalim yung relationship ko kay Lord. Kasi when I started, sobrang daming struggles, challenges, lalo na financial, na kinailangan ko talagang sacrifice yung time sa anak mo at saka sa sarili mo para matulungan mo yung ibang tao. Kasi yung business na to will help you na makaahon ka sa buhay if may matutulungan ka ding iba na makaahon sa buhay nila. Sobrang daming rejections dahil unang-una wala ka pang result and yung pinaka mag-reject pa pala sa'yo is yung mismong pamilya mo. Na-experience ko dito na wala akong support and ako lang talaga mag-isa. Pero sobrang thankful ko lang talaga sa angel ko, sa mentor ko. Kasi hindi niya ako sinukuan. Kahit na alam mo yun, hindi ko na din alam kung i-continue ko pa para ba ako dito sa business. Pero naisip ko kasi may mga tao na nag-join, may mga tao na nagtiwala, and hindi lang ikaw yung nahihirapan. Meron ding mga nahihirapan na iba. So, kailangan mong maging strong, kailangan mong maging, unang-unang maging matatag, at hindi talaga mag-quit kasi may mga taong umaasa sa'yo. nandito na yung family ko. Actually, hindi sila complete pero okay lang. And ayun, surprise ko sila kasi hindi nila alam na may house in lot na tayo, di ba? Alam lang nila, magbe-video shoot lang ako, tapos attend lang sila ganun. Kaya, tara, samahan niyo ako. Hello! Baba na kayo! So, hindi nila alam na gagawin. Ayan, pasok kayo sa bahay. Tour na kayo, check nyo kung maganda. Kasi, pwede nyo na pong tirhan pag nagustuhan nyo. Mother, what do you think? Ha? Saan ka matutulog? Gusto mo ba sa first floor, second floor, or third floor? O tara, akyat tayo. What can you say about the house, Nash?
Ang ganda.
Ang ganda?
Wow, it's a nice
Big,
house.
it's a nice house. Ano pa? It's a big house.
It's a big house.
And
And
beautiful house.
a beautiful house.
Una sa lahat, papasalamat ako kay Lord kasi lahat ng to hindi magiging posible kung hindi dahil sa Kanya. And of course, sa aking top mentors, lalo na sa direct mentor ko, sa angel ko, Mentor Shirley Macy Bulan, dahil sa support niya from day one up to now. Also, syempre, sa ating mga board of directors, sa ating mga sobrang loving and caring and generous owners, Pres Allen Marvin Eder, VP Icon Lorraine Uy, and General Manager Joanna Maniego, and of course, our Barley Queen, Miss Maritoni Fernandez. Sobrang thank you po sa life nyo. Hindi po magiging posible si I Am Worldwide kung di dahil sa wisdom na meron po kayo. Para po sa mga hindi pa part ng I Am Worldwide, huwag ka matakot na mag-try dahil kagaya mo, sinubukan ko lang din pero hindi ko expect na eto na yung magiging resulta mo ngayon.
Ganda. Siyempre.
So, welcome to your new house! Yung mga pangarap natin dito, hindi madaling makuha, alam natin yan. Pero sipagan mo lang, seryosohin mo, mahalin mo yung negosyo. Dahil si Lord nakikita yung nasa heart mo. E naniniwala ako na lahat ng sacrifices niya, ibabalik niya sa'yo.
I am Kat Policarpio and I am Worldwide.
Faith over fear. To get what I really want, I have to get over the things I fear the most. Sabi nga, never let your fear decide for your future. Marami din akong takot sa simula. Financial struggles, rejections. Mas nakita ko ang weakness ko than my strength. Pero I realized I have a choice. For the longest time, I became limited. From a breadwinner, a single mom, empleyado na maraming utang, I tried looking for the right opportunity. Not to expect, I am blessed to found the best. Family time matters the most. Pero para sa pangarap, no excuses. Even ang trabaho at anak ko. Leap of faith. May mga bagay na kinailangang i-sacrifice. But with those big decisions, all is worth it. Success, it takes faith in God. So if fear comes in you, just believe. For in every runner, Christ empowers. I am Catherine Policarpio, an agent of hope, and I am worldwide.